What's up guys, it's Jude here. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Remitano affiliate program and how you can start earning a living from this affiliate program. Now, back in 2016, when I got exposed to Bitcoin, I did not have money to trade and I had no one to give money to trade. So what I did was to take advantage of the Remitano affiliate program. So I went ahead and learned how to use the Remitano platform. Then I taught people how to use this platform and had them sign up using my affiliate link. Now, when they trade, Remitano charges them and pays me a commission. Now, the Remitano affiliate program is even more juicy because they now pay 40% indefinitely instead of the 20% they were paying back when I started. So what I'm going to do now is to share my screen with you to show you how much I was earning back then and now. And I'll also be sharing my strategy I used to earn on the Remitano affiliate program. So let's get to it. So if I go to my email and type Remitano here and search Remitano in the search box, now you can even see that, okay, let me sort this from oldest to the top. So this is back in 2017, right? So if I scroll down to this point, you'll see that this is 2017. This around September. You can see the earnings. The earnings comes in real time. So this $3.2, $5, $3, 4, 1.5, 1.0, 2 points, and this comes in every day as much as my referrals are trading. This is $19. In as much as my referrals are trading, I keep earning. So I was earning every day from Remitano affiliate program simply by just promoting the affiliate link. And this is actually how I was able to raise capital to start trading. And you see that this is 2017, right? So I can keep on scrolling even to 2018 and 2019 and even till today. So this is the power of the Remitano affiliate program and how you can generate income from the Remitano affiliate program. So what I want to do now is to go to the Remitano platform and show you how to get your link. Like I said, the platform now gives 40%, and I will also talk about the strategy I use to promote the affiliate program to earn this much from the program. So going to Remitano now, if you've not signed up for Remitano, you need to do that using my link. It is in the description. So guys, I've done several videos on how to trade, buy and sell Bitcoin on Remitano. Now, I want to show you one thing before I show you how to get your affiliate code. If I go to this point where it says choose another coin, you can see that a lot of coins are traded on Remitano every day in Nigeria. Nigeria is like the Remitano's biggest market. So you can see about $1.2 billion naira worth of Bitcoin are traded on Remitano every day from Nigeria. 42 million Ethereum, 156 million Theta, and so on and so forth. So to get your affiliate code, once you have logged in, you go to dashboard here, click on it, and you click on affiliate program. Then this is your affiliate link. So you copy this link and you share. So this is the link you give to people to sign up on Remitano with. Once they sign up with this link and they buy Bitcoin on Remitano, you earn from the transaction fee. So finally guys, it is very important that you give people your link to sign up with, because Remitano is going to give you 40% from their transaction fee. Now, if you don't give people your link to sign up with and they end up signing up on Remitano will still charge the same 1%, but they're going to keep the whole 1%. But when they use your link, they are charged 1% and they give you a percentage of that. This is how I started to generate income in the crypto space first. So what are the strategies I use? One is that I shared on social media, like on WhatsApp, on Facebook. Then I wrote articles on my blog on how to use the Remitano platform, both on my blog and on Medium. So any opportunity I have to educate people on how to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin or do things like that, I explain to them how to do it, and I use my affiliate link for them to sign up with. So if you do the same, you are going to achieve the same result or even better. So that's it. This is how to earn passive income using the Remitano affiliate program. So if you enjoy the content of this video and you have not given this video a like, please do give it a like. When you do that, it encourages me to release more awesome videos like this. And also subscribe if you've not, and click the bell icon so you get notified when I release awesome videos like this. And stay tuned for my next video, or be on the lookout for my next video. Bye.